Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I believe that this is my Valentine present for my husband. I hope it is, because it was supposed to arrive and it's been a few days and I haven't opened it yet. And goodness, this box is hard to open. And it doesn't really tell me where it's from, but it does look like the States, which is promising for it to be his present. Oh my goodness. This is so difficult to open. I will be right back. So yes, it is that. So I got this from K Jewelers. And it says, "Let the joy begin" on the box. That's kind of cute. Very nice packaging. I couldn't get into it when I tried. So let's see. Ooh, ah. Isn't that pretty? So it's just a nice cross necklace. With a very long, nice chain. Oh no, it's twisted here. Let me get that out. Oh, I'll have to work on that because I don't want to give it to him with a twist in it. I'll have to work on that. And then it has a money clip and has a little baby diamond in it on both of those. And then a beautiful chain bracelet. So that is very nice. It has a lobster claw clasp, and I just need to get this out and we will be set. Well, I will work on that, but I just wanted you guys to see what I was giving my love for Valentine's. So there you go. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye-bye.